Richard.
Hi.
We're headed back to the pickup. Got bales put out with the tractor, and this is the 3-point apparatus. Can't hardly see it. Worked good. We had to jump start and ether and put the torch under the tractor today. Neighbor, I talked to him, he said he wasn't going to get some of his cows fed because they can't see a goddamn thing. So they're just going to leave them brushed up. We're in a pretty good blizzard. We can't, it looks like a complete whiteout in the camera, and it's because it is. So the wife and I both came out today. So we're just got all our cows, got everything fed, everything. So pretty pleased about that. We're not sure if we can get back home because of the roads. None of the roads have been plowed. This is a state highway and they haven't done it yet today. So if everything goes to hell, we'll turn around and come out, back out and get the tractor and leave a pickup out here and then doze our way home. Try her again tomorrow.